Here's a look at today's assignment on reducing images. The learning targets are, I understand that ratios can be used to enlarge and reduce figures while keeping the same shape. I can enlarge and reduce a shape by multiplying all sides of a shape by the same number. I can describe how an image has been enlarged or reduced correctly. The first 1, 2, 3 slides are going to be model slides, and then you will do the last 2. So for this one, slide number 6, it says you do this slide. You're going to reduce this image by 1/4. So you have 12 and you have 8. So you have to see how many times 4 goes into each of those numbers. So 4 goes into 8 by 2 or by half, and 12 by 3. And then you're going to reduce that shape. And then you'll do the same for the last slide. Reduce this by 1/2.